Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, your one-stop YouTube channel for your everyday tech questions. In this demo, I will show you how to use this website called Pictory.ai to create videos. And to create videos here, you need to have a login. There's a free trial. I already have a login here, so I'm going to use my login. Based on the free trial, you can create up to 3 videos for free. And if you see, there are different options. There's script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, visual to video. I'm going to use a script to video because I'm going to type in a script here. And see, this is a script I've created for it. I'm going to copy this and paste it in the section there. And once I paste it, I'm going to make some changes. So I'll fast forward the changes I'm making so that we focus on the process of creating the video. So I'm just fast forwarding the steps for saving time. So once everything I'm ready with the changes, I'm going to make sure the format is good and everything is good as per my expectation. Next, I will click on proceed. So now once I click on proceed, it does, here I can pick any template. The template is more focused on how the captions are shown rather than, because the script will drive what stock videos the website's going to use. So it's more, the template is more focused on how the captions are presented. So I'm going to pick one and say 16:9 because I want a full screen video. I'm going to fast forward again. This takes time, so it's not as fast as it looks like, but it does take time. So it takes time to figure out the text in your script and trying to match the stock videos for that. So once that is done, if you see, it shows all the text on the left and the video on the right. And now once you verify all the stock videos are good and matching, next you can add background music. So click on audio on the left. But if you don't like what the videos it has selected, you can always change it by click on visuals. But I like what it's already done. Now I'm going to click on audio and change the background music if I want to, or you leave what it already picked up. Next, I'm going to pick up click on voiceover. I want an AI voice to walk through the process in this video or talk to the script. So I can pick whatever I want, either a male or a female voice, and then say apply. Once I apply it, it starts applying it to this video. I can click on preview, and this also takes some time, so I'm fast forwarding it again. So when I click on preview, and it will start playing how the video will look like if I download it. So click on preview, and it's opening the preview now. Now the preview, it's playing the preview now. Its preview is pretty good. I like what I see, so I don't want to make any changes. So I'm going to close this. Just to remember, on the left side on the top, you can see a watermark because this is a free account. Pictory.ai adds a watermark, so be aware of that when you use a free account. Now I'm going to say generate video. So it's going to generate. This takes quite a while too, so I'm fast forwarding it. And once it completes the generation, it will show a download link on the bottom left of the screen. Click on that and your video is ready. Thank you.